Today we shall discuss question number 7 to the exercise 5.6. It is a bit lengthy question and a little twisted, but we have made a separate article, so please concentrate and let us begin. Now you are being given the value of x and y separately. We will take value of x first. Let us begin. Given is x is equal to sine cube t upon cos 2t, right? Now differentiate with respect to x. What you will do is you will be using the u upon v formula, which states that dx by dt will be, take a big bar line, denominator square, v square, right? So it will be under root of cos 2t whole square. In the numerator, you will write v, that is the denominator as it is, under root of cos 2t multiplied by the derivative of the numerator, d by dx sine cube t, okay? Minus big bracket starts the numerator sine cube t as it is multiplied by the derivative of the denominator, that means d by dx under root of cos 2t. Now we have separately solved this d by dx sine cube t. From here we shall be taking it and we shall be solving it separately. See, this is d by dx sine cube t has been solved out here. So what does this say? You will be using x power n formula here, which states n x n minus 1. So d by dx sine cube t will be 3 power in the beginning sine power 3 minus 1 t multiplied by the derivative of sine t. Now this will give you 3 sine square t, and what is the derivative of sine t? It is cos t. Okay, so now we will calculate separately the derivative of d by dx under root of cos 2t. Here I have calculated it. So again you will write it in the form of d by dx. So cos 2t whole power 1 upon 2, because this is under root which can be written as power 1 upon 2. Which formula you will use here again? X power n, derivative is equal to n x n minus 1. So this power 1 upon 2, it will come in the beginning, cos 2t whole power 1 upon 2 minus 1 multiplied by the derivative of cos 2t. Please don't forget to write the derivative of cos 2 additional here. Generally students forget. Now this 1 upon 2 cos 2t, 1 upon 2 minus 1 will give you minus 1 upon 2 multiplied by, what is the derivative of cos 2t? It is sine 2t, right? Now it will be actually minus sine 2t here multiplied by the derivative of 2t. Again I repeat, you have to calculate the derivative of 2t separately. Don't forget. First you took the derivative of this whole term, then you took the derivative of cos 2t separately. Now you will take the derivative of 2t separately. Here minus is to come in the beginning. In the next phrase, I have written 1 upon 2. This cos 2t power minus 1 upon 2 under root will go in the denominator, because here the power is minus 1 upon 2. So you will write 1 upon 2 under root of cos 2t. This is minus sine 2t. This will come here as minus sine 2t multiplied by the derivative of 2t, which will only be 2. Okay, so you can compile it and you can write minus sine 2t upon under root of cos 2t, because if you see it carefully, this 2 stands cancelled with this 2. Okay, and this minus sign which is supposed to become here also minus, it is being represented here minus, and now this sine 2t upon under root of cos 2t. So what we did was, I calculated d by dx sine cube t here, and I calculated d by dx under root of cos 2t here. Now we will put both these values in this equation from where we started. Now, in the second slide, this equation is repeated, under root of cos 2t into d by dx sine cube t minus sine cube t into d by dx under root of cos 2t whole upon under root of cos 2t whole square. Now substitute the value of which we calculated there in the previous slide from here, d by dx sine cube t. Actually we got 3 sine square t cos t. Okay, and the derivative of under root of cos 2t, we got under root of cos 2t with the minus sign whole upon under root of cos 2t. Clear till here? Now we begin further. What we do is, you just open the bracket up. This bracket is opening. This 3 is going in the beginning. You get 3 under root of cos 2t multiplied by sin square t cos t. Okay, and this minus sign and this minus sign, both the minus signs here, and you combine this sin cube t into sin 2t, you will get sin 2t in the beginning multiplied by sin cube t whole upon under root of cos 2t, right? Whole upon cos 2t. This cos 2t, where did it come from? This is under root of cos 2t ka whole square. So you will write cos 2t, which gets free from the square and the under root. Now if you see carefully, this cos 2t is the denominator of this segment. So you take a whole bar line here and take the common denominator. This under root of cos 2t will be multiplied by this under root of cos 2t and it will become free from under root. You will get 3 cos 2t sin square t cos t as it is, sin square t cos t as it is. This minus will become here plus and you will get sin 2t sin cube t, this you have written it here, upon cos 2t under root. This is the denominator which will be showing it here. So be very careful, don't get confused. This denominator, you multiply it by this term. Okay, that is why you got cos 2t, and this denominator now will be shown it here because you have taken the common LCM. And then there is the main denominator, it is under root of, divided by cos 2t. So now what you will do is, you will do a upon b whole upon c upon d. So these two will be getting multiplied. Let's see. You will write 3 cos 2t sin square t cos t plus sin 2t sin cube t upon under root of cos 2t multiplied by 1 upon cos 2t. Okay. Now you will be using these two formula. First one is cos 2t is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square t. And sin 2t is equal to 2 sin t cos t. You have to memorize these formula very nicely, otherwise it is not possible to answer these questions. So first of all, the first formula I will be putting instead of cos 2t, pick this formula here and just substitute it here. Very clear? The second formula which I will be using it, sin 2t, pick it up from here and you will substitute in the value sin 2t here, and here comes your formula 2 sin t cos t. So now what equation have we framed is 3 as it is, 1 minus 2 sin square t cos t plus 2 sin t cos t multiplied by sin cube t, right? Now you please open up the bracket. This 1 will be multiplied by 3 as well as sin square t cos t. So you will get 3 sin square t cos t. Now this minus 2 sin square t will be multiplied by 3 as well as sin square t cos t. So what you will get, minus sign here, 3 2s are 6, you write it here, and sin square t will become sin power 4t and multiplied by cos t. Okay, and now you also open this bracket, you will get this 2 as it is, sin t multiplied by sin cube t will give you sin power 4t multiplied by cos t. The denominator will remain as it is, cos 2t under root of cos 2t. Okay, so you got this term, you just opened up the brackets, very simple. Now if you see it carefully, you are getting here minus 6 sin 4t cos t and plus 2 sin 4t cos t. So you will combine both these, you will get this term as it is, 3 sin square t cos t as it is, minus 6 plus 2 will give you minus 4 sin power 4t cos t whole upon cos 2t under root of cos 2t. So this was the derivative of the x term which was given step by step. I have explained. Let us move further to the y term. What is given y to you? Y is cos cube t upon under root of cos 2t. Now you differentiate with respect to x. You will be using u upon v formula, which states that dy by dt is equal to the denominator as it is, denominator square, under root of cos 2t whole square. In the numerator, you will write the denominator as it is, under root of cos 2t multiplied by the derivative of the numerator, which is d by dx cos cube t, minus, big bracket starts, the numerator as it is, cos cube t multiplied by the derivative of the denominator, which is under root of cos 2t. Okay. Now, like we did in the previous slide, we will be calculating this derivative separately. I am calculating this d by dx cos cube t. I am calculating it here. Let us begin. What formula you will use? You will use x power n is equal to n x n minus 1. So, cos cube t will be this power 3. It will come in the beginning. 3 cos. 3 minus 1 will give you 2. So, it is 3 cos square t multiplied by the derivative of cos t. What is the derivative of cos t? It is minus sin t. If you open up the brackets, you will get minus 3 cos square t sin t. Okay. Now we will calculate separately the derivative of under root of cos 2t. So there I have calculated the derivative of cos 2t. What will you do? Again you will use the same formula. X power n is equal to n x n minus 1. So under root of cos 2t can be written as d by dx cos 2t power 1 upon 2. Now this power will come in the beginning. You will write 1 upon 2 cos 2t whole power 1 upon 2 minus 1 multiplied by the derivative of cos 2t. Please don't forget to write separately the derivative of cos 2t. Okay. So now you will get 1 upon 2 cos 2t whole power 1 minus 1 upon 2, right? Multiplied by the derivative of cos 2t. What is the derivative of cos 2t? It is minus sin 2t. So here I have put minus sin 2t multiplied by the derivative of 2t. Derivative of 2t. Don't forget to write it separately. You have to write d by dx 2t. Okay. So you will get 1 upon 2 cos 2t power minus 1 upon 2 minus sin 2t multiplied by 2. Okay. So when we reached this statement, there were two derivatives to be found, which I found for you separately. Now what you will do is you will be substituting the values of these answers in this particular equation. What will you get? You will get dy by dt is equal to under root of cos 2t, bracket begins, minus 3 cos square t sin t minus big bracket starts cos cube t minus 2 sin 2t whole upon 2 under root of cos 2t. Then there is a bigger line. In the denominator, you have under root of cos 2t whole square. So what was this step? Nothing, but you just substituted the values of the derivatives and you got this equation. Now we'll begin further. What we will do is see this minus and this minus, this will turn to plus. So you will write under root of cos 2t multiplied by minus 3 cos square t sin t plus sin 2t, and in this also you are doing one more step here. See that this 2 will get cancelled with this 2. So what you will get is plus, this minus minus turns plus, sin 2t cos cube t whole upon under root of cos 2t with the full denominator cos 2t under root whole square. Okay. Now what we are doing is we are just writing this cos 2t under root minus 3 cos square t sin t as it is plus sin 2t cos cube t upon under root of cos 2t. If you look carefully, this is giving you this under root, right, as well as this square. So these will cancel and you will just get cos 2t. They will get freed, and instead of this term which is given with the under root and power, you will be getting cos 2t, which will be free from any power and any under root, right? Now this step is okay. Next step, this is under root of cos 2t. Please take the bigger LCM here, and this under root of cos 2t will be multiplied by under root of cos 2t and you will get cos 2t. Okay. Bracket starts minus 3 cos square t sin t plus sin 2t cos cube t whole upon under root of cos 2t, because you've taken the main here LCM, whole upon this cos 2t will come as it is with the main LCM. Okay. Now, if you see here, it will be a upon b whole upon c upon d. D here is 1. So, you will be multiplying these two LCMs. What you will do, now you will get cos 2t, bracket starts minus 3 cos square t sin t plus sin 2t cos cube t whole upon cos 2t into under root of cos 2t. Okay. Now again there are two formulas in the list which you have to memorize. First is cos 2t is equal to 2 cos square t minus 1, and the second formula is sin 2t is equal to 2 sin t cos t. In your given equation, I will be substituting this cos 2t by this what is written here and sin 2t by what is written here. Okay, so if I will substitute, instead of this cos t, I will be writing 2 cos t square minus 1, and here I will be writing 2 sin t cos t. I will be substituting the values with these formulas, and what equation you will get? You will get 2 cos square t minus 1 multiplied by the rest of the term as it is, minus 3 cos square t sin t plus 2 sin t cos t picked up from the formula multiplied by cos cube t as it is. In the LCM, you will get cos 2t under root of cos 2t. Okay, now the next step will be you just open up the brackets, right? How will you open up the brackets here? See, this cos 2 cos 2t square, this term will be multiplied by this term, this whole term. So you will get 3 2s are 6 with the minus sign. Cos square t will give you cos power 4t into sin t, right? Now you multiply what? This is the first term. Now you multiply this term. This minus 1 will be multiplied by this whole bracket. Minus 3 cos square t sin t. It will be multiplied, and what you will get? Minus minus you will get plus. 3 1s are 3 cos square t sin t. Is it clear? Plus. Now you open up this bracket also. You will get 2 as it is, sin t as it is, cos t cos power 3t will give you cos power 4t. Okay. Now you see this is minus 6 cos power 4t sin t, and this is 2 cos power 4t sin t. So you will combine up. Minus 6 plus 2 will give you minus 4 cos power 4t sin t, and this 3 cos square t sin t, it will come in the beginning, 3 cos square t sin t with the repeat LCM cos 2t under root of cos 2t. Okay. Now see, this you calculated the y wala derivative. Now you are getting dy by dx is equal to dy by dt into dt by dx. Okay. So whatever formulas you calculated in the previous slides, please put in the values. You get 3 cos square t sin t minus 4 cos power 4t sin t whole upon cos 2t under root of cos 2t multiplied by cos 2t under root of cos 2t whole upon 3 sin square t cos t minus 4 sin power 4t cos t. Now, if you look carefully, you will be just cancelling out this denominator. This will get cancelled with this. Okay. What are you left with? You are left with 3 sin square t, 3 cos square t sin t minus 4 cos power 4t sin t whole upon 3 sin square t cos t minus 4 sin power 4t cos t. Clear? Now, please take common cos square t sin t in the numerator. What will you be left with this term? You will be left with 3, and this term you will be left with minus 4 cos square t. In the denominator, please take common sin square t cos t. You will be left with 3 in this term, and in this term you will be left with minus 4 sin square t. Clear? Now, if you look here carefully, this is cos square t, okay, and this is cos t. They will get cancelled out, and you will be left with cos t in the numerator, because in the numerator is power 2 and here is power 1. You will get cos t in the numerator. And if you look here, this is sin square t in the denominator, and this is sin t only in the numerator. They will also get cancelled out, and you will just get sin t in the denominator. So what equation you will get? Cos t 3 minus 4 cos square t whole upon sin t 3 minus 4 sin square t. Moving further, this is what I just copied. You are getting cos t 3 minus 4 cos square t whole upon sin t 3 minus 4 sin square t. Okay. Now another formula. Two formulas I will be using. First is 4 cos cube t minus 3 cos t is equal to cos 3t. This is the basic formula. But as per this question, instead of plus, I am here getting minus 4 cos cube t, and here it is minus 3 cos t in the formula, and my equation says 3 cos t. So as per the given question, minus 4 cos cube t plus 3 cos t will give you minus cos 3t. Clear? So in the numerator, instead of this, by picking up this formula and reframing it a little, I will get minus cos 3t in the numerator. The second formula which I will be using in this slide is 3 sine t minus 4 sine cube t is equal to sine 3t. See, this denominator will be substituted by this formula. You will be getting sine 3t in the denominator. Now it is cos 3t upon sine 3t. You know very well it is cot 3t. So the answer is minus cot 3t. Okay, this is the answer to the final question number 7. I have tried to explain you step by step in a very slow way so that you don't find this tough. Please subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts, you are more than welcome to ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay blessed.